Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. You guys already know how it is. Give this video a big like, comment, subscribe, share this video. Your girl trying to get to 30K. So as you can see, I don't look too pleased. It's Monday morning, it's like 7 o'clock in the morning, and I got class. And I don't want to go to class look like this, so your girl got to do something. But I'm contemplating life like, do I really want to do this? Is this what I really want to do? Okay, you know what? We gotta do what we gotta do. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started with this video. As you can see, I already have my eyelashes on. I usually go to sleep with my eyelashes on, depending on how I feel, but last night was one of them nights. So I started out by moisturizing my face. You know, gotta get some moisture back into it because I have very, very dry skin at the moment. My skin isn't doing so well. So yeah, I'm just gonna work that in and, you know, we'll keep moving on. So first things first, I'm going to be doing my eyebrows. As you can see, I'm taking my spoolie, just combing my eyebrow hairs up a little bit. If you guys want to see a detailed eyebrow tutorial, there's 2 on my channel that you can go ahead and check out. I may be updating it really soon, but as far as right now goes, you can look in the iCards and click on either of those videos. Anybody else singing along to this song while it's playing? Like, I love this song. Now that I have that complete, I'm just going to be concealing my eyebrows and just kind of mixing these 2 shades together to get a better match for my face because I'm not wearing any foundation today. I'm just going to be doing a little bit of concealer, so I need something that's going to be not too light, although this is still very light, just not overbearing though. You guys already know what's next. Gonna be blending this stuff out. I always blend out into my eyebrows when I'm thinking about adding a little eyeshadow. I never go overboard when it comes to my makeup. I'm very, very simple and natural with it. So yeah, I just bring the concealer down to my eyelids and throw on a little eyeshadow. For eyeshadow, I'm going to be using this ColourPop. I believe it's called the Hello.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Or something like that. Palette or whatever. It'll be on the video screen. As you guys can see, when it comes to eyeshadow, I just throw some on just to get rid of that little cast that was above my eyes from the concealer. I add a little bit of shimmer from the same palette. That's the gold shimmer that I'm using, and I just, you know, blend that out a little bit. I'm not a perfectionist when it comes to this at all. I'm really just trying to hurry up and get the class, like. I like to add a little bit to my inner corners just to give my eyes a pop, but you guys will see what I'm talking about later on. And now I am taking that same concealer that I use, LA Girl Pro concealer. This is in the color Toffee, if I'm not mistaken, and I just kind of conceal under my eyes. I know I was a little tired that night, getting off from work and all of this stuff, so yeah, we need to wake up and look like we're actually refreshed, but we're not. So next we're going to be taking this Fit Me powder. I believe this is in the medium deep shade. I really like this powder. However, it does give you that like makeup look, if you guys know what I mean. Like, it helps the makeup stay in place, but it does give you that makeup look. And when you're not wearing any foundation, it kind of looks a little odd. So here I am looking like 3 different shades. Like the middle of my face is very light, and then the outer side of my face is like a little darker. I'm just gonna use this little beautiful bronze color stick, I believe it's a concealer stick, and try to warm up my face a little bit to get rid of that cast. Next, I'm just going to be blending that out with my little stippling brush. Brush. I use this brush all the time. Like, this is probably one of my favorite makeup brushes. I just really love this brush. But don't you guys love this little headband that I have on? Like, it's the cutest thing, and it's plush. In the next clip, you'll see that I am doing the same exact thing, but with the bottom half of my face, just putting it on my chin area, my jawline, and all that stuff, and blending it out the same exact way. So now to get rid of that little mask and kind of bring a more natural look into my face, I'm going to be using my Mario Badescu. I believe this is the lavender spray. I spray my entire face until it looks more like me again. I don't know. So I use that, and I just go ahead and do my hair. Boom. And here I am taking my bronzer. I don't know what happened to the rest of the footage, but I did do my highlight and eyeliner in my lips. I don't know what happened to that footage, but apparently it's gone. I'll put everything that I use for my lips and my highlight on the screen, but I mean, tell me what you think. Think your girl look good? If you guys would like to see a tutorial on this hairstyle, please let me know. Answer the question in the poll in the iCards, and yeah, just touching up everything, and you'll see the finished look in about 1 second. So here I am right now. I really appreciate you guys for watching this video. Like I said, give it a big thumbs up, share the video with your friends. I mean, take notes from it, do what you do, let me know what you think. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the rest of my videos. Bye.